I am legit waiting on the bridge for David. Turns out he stopped and he went to go pump gas, and my dumb ass just kept going. I didn't know about my junk food. I'm not supposed to be buying junk food at this moment because, you know. Right now we're gonna go to a car meet where it's gonna be a dyno pull tonight. David has the car, the BMW, the one that I raced when my truck blew. So I don't know if he has it on 93 or E30 octane. The different types of gas means different types of horsepower that he had. When I raced him, he had E30. So today we're gonna see how much power he's pushing. At that time I was running 444 horsepower. Now that I'm gonna know how much power he's making, I shouldn't have raced him. We are here. I still haven't ate. Well, my truck is still not looking good, so I'm not gonna park it in the front. What's it make? 561.3 and torque 501.4. Uh, 552.3 torque 498.2. Man, it dropped. Oh damn, I've been trying to eat. So right now, David's car is coming up next, the BMW with a turbo on there. We're gonna see how much power is pushing down. My guess is about 485. How much power you think you're making, David?
320.
I don't believe that. Believe you're making that much power. Boy, you better be making more than 450 because I blew my damn motor because of you.
It's not making more than 450.
Well, it's lighter, I'll tell you that. Maybe the torque is more. You got a lot of torque.
I look stock, huh?
There we go, guys. He said he's running E30, so I'm very curious on what the car's gonna be making. How much did he make? Top one? Wait.
No. We're gonna get rid of those. Delete it.
Which one is it? Because there's like 4 of them up there.
They're shipping like at 4,500. Is it really? Yeah, that's crazy. You're gonna have to just lay into it the whole way to coming up boost. I'm gonna go to 5th and see what it does. That might slow down the downshift.
What's going on?
It's downshifting.
Giving the full amount, huh?
Yeah, she wants to downshift. So we're calibrating 5th gear this time. Clear all that. Go back to the other screen. All that should be good. Yeah, BMW is real tricky.
don't even see it.
Dude, that was I didn't make the full wide open throttle hit until about 5,000. It still kicked down.
Oh my God.
Still rolling. Huh? So what got done to it?
I got diverter valve, downpipe, stage 2 on E30, full exhaust.
What is that exhaust?
Probably like a month or so.
Really? Still looks brand new.
I'm gonna go one more time, guys. Were you shifting?
I let it run through its gears so it wouldn't downshift.
What did he make? 382. Damn, it's not doing it, huh?
Now it's not downshifting, but it's better that route than, you know.
So I'm guessing it's not really reading anything full power, nothing, not like it's not really doing that full pull.
Gear with this transmission, 8-speed, yeah, it's not gonna hold the gear. It's doing what it's supposed to do. It's just not gonna hold that gear. Downshift was a much better pull to run through the gears. That gave us an accurate readout.
This sounds clean.
That was strange. Why?
This time it made 390.
You know, we calibrated to 6th gear, and we didn't let her do its run through so she wasn't downshift. That turned out so much better. Them 8-speed are tricky on these cars. It just wants to go.
Hope you guys like the video. Like and subscribe, turn the bell notification on, become part of the legacy. There's more things that I'm gonna be doing right now.
So my be tripping like
Twin turbo. What Audi is it?
RS7.
Audi RS7. And your BMW has the same motor as the same Supra, right? The newer Supra's a little fixed up. We're gonna go to a meet, and then maybe we're gonna be catching some races out there. Try to make it look like 1320 again.
We're too slow for 1320, but one day we'll be fast enough.
Everybody's out here. It looks like there's gonna be a Tahoe versus a Cadillac. I think that's a CTSV. Tahoe took it.
Wait, what'd you say? You get a generator? Back that car up!
Okay, there's a truck, drop truck. And it's a GMC, my bad. GMC versus Cadillac CTSV, I think. Oh yeah, guys, we got a little single cab out here, cat eye. Ford versus Chevy Grudge match, yet again. The truck took it. What's up, man? I say Nos truck, Tahoe.
I live on the Great Expression.